Good evening, students. We are discussing about the today in our class. We are discussing about the grammar topic for the fourth semester. For the fourth semester, subject English, grammar topic, e-correspondence. E-correspondence. E-correspondence means which are the we are using emails. What are the we are using the emails and sending messages, whatever it may be, we are using the e-correspondence. It's a called emails. Nowadays it's a fast growing and it's a very important to everyone or every person of the world. It's a very easy process, it's a very low cost, it's a very useful benefit to the candidates. It will come for our examination for 10 marks. It will come for our examination for 10 marks. Now I will show the picture of according to emails. You see, e-correspondence or email. Email is used widely for a personal, professional, academic, business communication. It is an easy, fast and convenient mode of communication. What is the email? Email is used widely for personal, professional, academic, business communication. It is an easy, fast and convenient mode of communication. It's the easiest communication is the emails. Every person is used for the email. It's a very easy to nowadays. And when we are using the mobile phones or Android phones, it's a very easy. It's a very easy. Who know the cell phone operating? He send the messages, he receive the messages and he read the messages. He has respond the message. Nowadays, the WhatsApp also very fast and very growing message system in the world wise. Okay, before invention of a Android phone and before using the Android phone, and we use it the fast and vast and it's a very useful to the human communication through the mails. Okay, email is used widely for a personal, professional, academic, business communication. It is an easy, fast and convenient mode of communication. The components of an email are how to use the email and what is the importance of email. We will discuss. What are the components? From email address of the sender. From email address of the sender to email address of the receiver. 2 is the email receiver. 2 is the email receiver. From is the email sender. That is the from address and to address like a letter writing. Like a letter writing. The format is the same letter writing, but the mail sending is a different. Mail sending is a different. Okay, CC carbon copy or a copy to list of receivers of the same message. Suppose we are nowadays the education system is going in through the emails or the so many like a mode of communication through face to face and mode of communication to the some members are sending the messages, some members are listening, mute and unmute mode in the Android phones. Okay, we want to send the message for the 50 members or a group of large members. In the every group has a 20, 40, 100 and above. We will send the group icon and we will send the group message to the receivers also. Group members are the receivers also. From to CC. CC means carbon copy or a copy to list of receivers of the same message. List of receivers of the same message. And BCC blind carbon copy. The list of receivers can be hidden by the sender here. BCC means the list of receivers can be hidden by the sender here. Subject tells what the email is about. Subject is what the email about is. What the email is about. Subject is the tells what the email is about. It is mandatory to write. It is mandatory to write the subject of the mail. It is a mandatory to write the subject of the mail. It's a compulsory write of the subject. It's a compulsory writing of the subject when we are sending the email. However, it should be brief and a straightforward. It should be a brief and it should be a straightforward in a simple sentences. In a simple sentences. And attachments. Files can be sent along with the mail in the form of attachments. Okay, files can be sent. Files can be sent along with the mail in the form of attachments. Form of attachments. These are the when we are using the emails or when we are sending the emails is a very very important. Okay, what is the reminder when we are using the email? From to address email is very essential. Which is the sender message? Which is the sender to is the to address. Mail address of the receiver is the to address. Mail from is the mail sender or a mail address of the sender. Here is the two list are there, CC and CC. Carbon copy to the carbon copy or a carbon copy to list of a receivers of the same message. That's the same mail is sent to the so many members or a large group of members in the same message and the same time. It's a very easy. And subject is the very very important. Tells what the email is about. It is a mandatory to write the subject of the mail. However, it should be brief and straightforward. And attachments. Next lost the attachments. Files can be sent along with the mail in the form of attachments. Files can be sent along with the mail in the form of attachments. When we are writing the emails or when we are sending the emails or when we are receiving the emails, what are the points remain to our mind? What are the points to reminder in our thoughts or in our mails? What are the points when we are sending an email? Points to be remember. You see here in your picture also, the language used in is email should be easily understood by the receiver. Who is a sender and who is a receiver? It's a communication process. The email is a communication process. The language, the sender's language is very easily understood by the receiver. The language used in an email should be easily understood by the receiver. The sender must avoid perception. The sender must avoid the reception. The message should be concise and to the point. The message sender must avoid reception. The message should be concise and to the point. Don't write the don't or sending the good morning, good evening, how are you, this type of message. Don't the receptions. You avoid the receptions when you are writing the email. The message should be in a concise, it should be in a brief and a very shortcut mode. You have to write the message or a mail in the form. It's a very important point. It's a very concise and it's a easy convenient mode of the receiver. The tone of the message should be polite and formal. The tone of the message should be polite and formal. It should be a very politeful. It's a politeful words and it should be a convenient understanding mood and it should be a formal mat. It should be a formal language we have to use in a simple and understanding mode in the message, understanding mode in the mail. The message should be in straightforward and clear. The sender must avoid the use of a lengthy sentences. Similarly, he must not adopt a roundabout way of the saying a something. He must not adopt a roundabout way of the saying something. You don't use the lengthy and a conversational material like that. Don't use the a lengthy. It's a very easy and very shortcut mode of the sending mails is a very important. Okay, next when we are saying to or when we are discussing about the next point. Okay, the message should be straightforward and clear. The message it should be a straight and it's a clear. What about he is explaining and what about he was under the message, it should be very clear to the sender. The sender must avoid the use of a lengthy sentences. The sender did not write anything other than the straightforward message and you don't use of the a lengthy and conversations, a lengthy conversations. Similarly, you must not adopt a roundabout way of saying something. A roundabout way of saying something. You don't go to the roundabout the message and forwarded the message like a lengthy and it's a boring to the reading of the message. It's a avoided to the writing when we are sending the mails. Informal or a casual language can be used for personal mails. For formal mails, the words must be chosen for the utmost care. Formal and informal messages or mails are we are sending. In the informal or a casual language can be used for the personal mails. When you are sending the personal mails, it's a very easy to read and convenient mode of the sender and receiver, and the language also should be understandable and it should be personally. But for the formal mails, but the business and the other higher official mails, when we are sending the other higher official mails, it should be the words must be chosen with the utmost care. The words when you are using the mails, it's a respectable and it should be very careful of the words when you are using the mails. It's a important when we are sending the mails. Don't skip the subject line. Don't skip the subject line, which focuses on the idea of the your mail. Don't skip the subject line, which focuses on the idea of your mail. On which purpose we want to write the subject? It's a must. If you don't write the subject, it's a unuseful to the mails or unuseless of the mails. It's a not easy to the learning. Not easy to the learning. Do not skip the subject line which focuses on the idea of your mails. Subject on the ideas of the your mail is a very important when you are sending the mails. Okay, next what about the sending mails? The email should be email should begin with the purpose of the mail. The email should begin with the purpose of the mail. On which purpose you are sending the mail? On which purpose of the sending the mail is very important. On which purpose of you are sending the mail is very important. The mail should begin with the purpose of the mail. The sender must use attachment when required. The sender must use attachment when required. The sender use this attachment when it's required. Do not share confidential matters through mails because the email ID may be hacked. The confidential matters or the confidential mails do not send through the emails. It's a use of the codes for the secret using of the opening of the mails. Do not share a confidential matters through mails because the email ID may be hacked. The mails are hacked sometimes by the others. The thefting of the mails also, it's a very rare in the sending or receiving of the mailing. We are using the computers very frequently. The sender must avoid using CC for copying addresses. If you want to hide the addresses of other recipients, you must be BCC in that case. BCC in that case. The sender must avoid the using of the carbon copy or the copy to for typing addresses. If you want to hide the addresses of the other recipients, you must use a BCC in that case. The sender must use a CC to share the information with a group members. The sender must use CC to share the information with a group members. The email must be free of any kind of negativity or basis. The email must be free of any kind of negativity or a basis. The email is a very cheap cost nowadays when we are sending the mails and when we are using the mails. The sender must avoid making any error related to the spelling, grammar or facts. The sender must avoid you have to write the correct spelling of the words and correct words chosen in the sending of the emails or writing of the emails. You have to don't write the wrong spellings and the grammar. Usage of a grammar is also it's a important. The facts also very important when we are sending the emails. This is the email of e-correspondence about our examinations. Okay, it's a very important to write the answer for this question. Okay, it's a important for the write the answering of the email. It's a very easy to process and very easy to learn and very easy to understand the language when you are using the examination purpose. They are asked the question, write an email to the dealer or an electronics company complaining about the problem you have encountered with the recently bought LED television. LED television. You have to write the email to the company dealer where you are the bought the new television for your house purpose. This is the very easy to answer the email. You have to attempt this answer. You have to attempt compulsory this answer in your examination. Otherwise, you will lose the 10 marks. You will lose the 10 marks. Choice is there, but it's a nowadays it's a useful to the email is a very important and it's a very experience to you how to use the emails. And now it's a SMS also very important in the when we are using the Android phones or mobile phones or the other phones also. Android phones, mobile phones and other phones also, landline phones also we are used the nowadays. When we are using the SMS is the only Android phone and the only keyboard phones are the very useful to sending a messages to the short message services, SMS services we are forwarded in this purpose we are using the like that, like the emails like when we are using the short message service very easy and frequently the messages are sending and receiving. In the same way, WhatsApp nowadays, WhatsApp also very important for the sending a message and sending a picture message also in that way. It's a very easy to sending the information wherever you and wherever you are going and which is the event or which is the picture you want to send to the message. It's the forward so many members of the numbers and so many members of the participants in this communication. We are using the communication like a meetings and like a conducting of the meetings and conducting of the seminars also. It's a very important in the nowadays in the Android phones are the sending message is a very easy to nowadays. What is the other frequently used of the messages or sending a message to the another? Okay, we are receiving the messages and we are sending the messages is a very important. Those are the our friends, relatives, and our officials and our classmates. Our classmates. It's a very easy to process of sending the mails and receiving the mails and SMS also. It's a sending the message services. Short message services is the SMS. It's a the process of emails is a used nowadays. The format is a SMS, short message services. Here is the no receiver, here is the no sender, but is a the sender mobile number, the receiver mobile number, those are the already feeded in your mobiles. That's why who is sending the message and which is the message important. The group is the sending message and the convenient of the people of understanding message also very frequently in the communication of a system nowadays in a daily wise activities. That is very important in the now where we are using the okay, you have to practice the sending the mail and you have to practice the receiving the mail in your exercises. That is also very important for the using of our very useful to our examination purpose. When you are using the mails is a very easy process. First you have to write the to mail address and which is the mail subject you have to write the and which is the body of the mail is important. Body of the mail is a very prescribed, very understandable, a simple language, and it's a clear to read. It's a clear to read and understand purpose. It's a very important when we are writing the emails. And which are the sending emails is to copy to how many members you have to send. It's a you write the whatever it may be members mails address you have to send to the it will be forwarded. It will be forwarded in the same format in the same mail to the sending to the many members in the simplest way. It's now formally going to the exercise is going on to the nowadays in the purpose of the mails or using the mails. The nowadays is a very important. It's a very important. Okay, when we are using or when we are remember when we are writing the mails is the very important. The language used it in a mail should be easily understood by the receiver. The language used in an email should be easily understood by the receiver. The sender must avoid a reception. The message should be concise and to the point. Concise and to the point. The sender must be avoid the reception. What are the receptions like that? Respectful words, good morning, respected sir, respected madam, and how are you and what are you doing this? I hope that you are shape in the movement in that moment. This is the avoiding of the this is a receiver's movements in the letter or receiver's movements in the mails. Tells what the subject tells what the mails is about. It is mandatory to write the subject of the mail. However, it should be brief and the straightforward. The subject is the very important. Subject tells the mail is about. You have to write the subject is the mail which is the about it. You have to mention it in the subject. It is a mandatory to write the subject of the mail. It's a compulsory write the subject one what is the main point in the mail. And however, it should be a brief and a straightforward. It should be a brief and straightforward for the sender. Okay, when we are using the language, it should be a formal and informal. Our relatives, our friends and our classmates we send to the informal language. But who are the officials and which is the business purpose and which is the communication purpose for the other officials like a sub-inspector of police, like a municipal commissioner, like a district electricity officer and like that is a district civil supply officer or a mandal revenue officer or mandal civil supply officer. You have to send to the mails are very easy to in the very important in the language when you are using in a formal mode. Formal words are used when we are sending to the officials for the purpose of communication. Don't skip the subject line. Don't skip the subject line. Don't skip the subject line. You have to mention or you have to write the compulsory in the subject line which focuses on the idea of your mail. Which focuses on the idea of your mail. That is the very very important. It's a the process of a important. It's a using of the mails is a very very important for the purpose. Okay, this is the very brief about the mail, how to use the mails, and how to send the mails is the in our examinations. That is the very very important to answering the mails for the purpose of using the mails. Every person you have to use for the PCs or a personal computers. You have to sending mails and you have to receiving mails in the so many in your activities. You have to use or you have to learn about the computers. Nowadays it's a frequently used in the every aspects or every sectors like government and private sectors also used for the storage of a details of the persons and stories of information for the company or information password for the company also very very important nowadays in the sending of emails is very very important for the purpose. But every citizen of a literary person or every citizen of the or every person of the officials are using the emails or taking the emails and sending the emails also very very important. In the every aspect is the going to a using of the e-content. Every student or every person must be learning is the e-learning also important nowadays in the villages also. It's a very very brief for the sending of the mails also frequently in the education system. And it should be the language, it must be a in English. In our daily usage of the language, whatever it may be, you have to read the everyday newspaper for the implement of the good forwarded in good English in the and which is the reading vocabulary development in your mouth, through your mouth, which are the words to deliver to the students or deliver to the talking with the others is very very important for the using of the language is necessary in the system of nowadays. and also the computer language also it must be in the English is the very essential to us for the using of the mails is a very easy to in our language that is the very important and then in the examination purpose also is important for the you have to prepare and you have to learn and you have to write the emails is a very future purpose. It's a very used to the in future purposes. The brief note of the emails is the very easy to follow or very easy to learn. Okay, now what are the lessons are completed in our syllabus. Okay, Arjun lesson is completed, that is written by Maheshwara Devi, and woman writer is written by Ishmat Chungta is completed in the semester and then what are the letter writing also completed in this exercises, and what are the other examples, and what are the other topics for the examinations. Okay, next we will go to the correction of sentences. It's a very important in the examination, very important in the examination. In the same way we have another exercise is also there, simple compound complex sentence is also there for the writing of the examinations. And close test also there, CLOZT close test is there for the understanding of the okay. Arjun is written by Maheshwara Devi, and woman Isma Chungta is completed. 2 lessons are completed. Remaining 2 lessons are there. Father returning home. Jatara. Father returning home is written by Dilip Chitri, and Jatara is written by Arjun Diocharan. Arjun Diocharan is the 4th lesson. 2 lessons are completed, and now we have again 2 lessons are we will discuss it in the further classes. And we have a correction of sentences are there, and comprehension passage is there, and what are that next to explaining about the or a brief essay writing on the example of a write about a person in about 125 words whom you feel is very inspiration, whom you feel is an inspirational person. Next we have a curriculum vitae and a report writing. These are the exercises for the grammar purpose. We want to complete this exercise for the grammar purpose. Okay, you have to see the emails in your material book or in your computers or any further text. You have to see in the how to write the emails in the purposes, in the exam purposes. The okay, all of you be careful for the future purpose conducting of the examinations. For the unfortunately, if they are not used the examination, you don't feel it's a very easy to pass. If they are conducting the other text for the separately, there is a system different between the class examination and the competitive examinations. Class examinations and the competitive examinations. Okay, every aspects in the examination system, the email is a e-correspondence is a very easy to following or very easy to practice the exercise for the examination. Here, if you have a already sending or received the emails, is a very easy to explaining about the this question. You have to explaining about this question, or you have to write the very easily to answer the for this question in the examination. It's a very important for the future system. Okay. Very useful to the future system.